Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear WhatsApp cache in a few easy steps. So trust me, there's nothing complicated, it's very easy and simple. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and I promise you that's gonna be a very quick tutorial and easy for doing it. So get your phone and then go in settings here, and actually the easiest and fastest way for clearing the WhatsApp cache is by searching in the search box here for apps. Here click on apps, but not here apps, just this apps, the second, and click on manage apps. And in manage apps actually you can find any app that you've downloaded on your phone ever. So scroll down a little bit, you'll find WhatsApp. Here it is, and just click on it. I forgot to tell you, I have a shortcut about clear data, as you can see next to the button uninstall, and by clicking it I can choose to clear all data or to clear only the cache. Let's clear the cache. Yeah, but if you don't have a shortcut as mine, just like mine, you can just scroll down a little bit, you'll find something like a clear data or clear cache, some button like that, I don't know. And yeah, so if you want to clear all data you can click here, but make sure you've saved all your photos or videos or files on your phone from from WhatsApp, because if you haven't done that, maybe you will get a big risk to delete all information, all important information. And yeah, so before clicking OK, just make sure you've saved your data. So that was it how to clear the cache in a few easy steps. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or shame to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.